Today, we're tackling a big one. What does it really cost to build a custom home in Toronto?
So you're dreaming of a custom home in Toronto? It's exciting, but the budget question is huge.
All right, let's cut through the noise and figure out the real numbers for 2026. You've probably seen this range online, right? Well, that's usually just a starting point, a low one. The reality in Toronto is, well, it's quite a bit higher. Here's what you should actually expect.
So why the big jump? A bunch of factors unique to Toronto push those costs way up.
Okay, so your total budget isn't just construction. It splits into two key parts, hard and soft costs.
Hard costs are the physical stuff, the foundation, walls, roof, the things you can actually touch.
Soft costs are different. They're the so-called hidden fees for planning and permits before building starts.
And look at this breakdown. Construction is a huge chunk, but it's definitely not the whole story.
Let's look at these hidden costs. Seriously, this is where budgets can go completely off the rails.
And wait, there's more. Some big expenses aren't even in the builder's contract. You got to plan for them. For just your kitchen and laundry appliances, you're looking at 18 to 50 grand easy.
And landscaping? That's another $40,000 to start. It often goes up from there.
Oh, and getting your utilities connected? That can add another $25,000 to the bill.
So, looking ahead to 2026, yep, costs are still climbing. Let's dig into why.
The forecast is a 3 to 5% jump. You've got to bake that into your budget.
It's a mix of things. Labor shortages, material costs, all making good planning absolutely critical.
Okay, so how do you fight back? The good news is you have more control than you think.
Here are 5 really smart ways you can save money without compromising on your dream.
It's all about being proactive. This is how you trade stress for control and stay on budget.
And that's the key, really. A clear plan is your best tool for a successful project.
So are you ready to change that budget question mark into a solid, workable blueprint?